Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, as you can see, we're getting the end of December, real close to Christmas time, and it's time to get snows. These are, ones I got are pretty aggressive tires, but they're definitely not snow tires. So it's time to get some snows, and I'll leave the backs. The backs are fine. It's your front tires that you really need the traction in the front, because it is front wheel drive. So with my friends Tom's Service right here in Wayland. And I can see he's already got some tires here. I wonder if any of them are mine. Those might be them. I'm looking for, should be 15. Got 15 60 15s. And these are called Arctic Claws. And I have been using the Winter Force for many years, but I guess this is now the top of the line. And I can see with the tread, Arctic Claw Winter TXI. Can be studded if you wanted, but they're running about $78 a piece. I'm going to get the front, put it on the front, and see how we do. Definitely gonna have the traction. There's the other one there. Got that thing from. Nice skid light too. Yeah, you're not gonna see the real tire issues till after December. It's February, January and February that you really get nailed. Aluminum more once it starts deteriorating. You don't have to worry about them coming off. Steel goes the other direction. think the valve stems dry rot before the or anything else does, huh?
Nothing's made for quality anymore.
Nope. Remember when all they had was soap?
Aluminum rims are terrible.
Uh-huh.
Don't do this, you'll be putting air in them every
I
day,
know.
especially cleaning.
Is that like a rubber? Is that like a rubber mix?
Yeah. Dietrich and
Good run of time. Every time I go to the T-Sworth auction, I'm always got my eyes open for a tire machine. The only problem is, you get a tire machine, you need the balancer. There's just, you gotta have them.
balance them.
Gotta have them. Yeah, you gotta have them. Like I'll be able to climb a tree now. Yeah, get me out of my driveway in the morning, that's for sure. What are you torquing these to? About 90? 110?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Square it up.
I got a nice electric impact, but usually takes them up to about 90.